In this video, I'll guide you through how to order a new Chime card effortlessly using the Chime app. Whether your card is lost, stolen, or just damaged, this simple process will help you get a replacement in no time. So, let's get started. First, grab your smartphone and open the Chime app. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure a smooth login. Once you're in, you're just a few taps away from getting your new card. Next, navigate to your profile. You'll find this option typically at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your app version. Tap on it to access your account details. Now, look for the account settings. This is where you'll manage most of your preferences and account specifics. Tap on account settings to proceed. Once you're in account settings, you'll want to select the option that says View and Freeze Debit Cards. This section is dedicated to managing your card's status and ensuring its security. Tap on it, and you'll see an option that says Replace Card. This is the key step where you'll start the process for your new card. Go ahead and tap Replace Card. Now, you'll need to specify the reason why you're ordering a new card. The app will typically provide you with a few options like lost, stolen, or damaged. Choose the one that best describes your situation. This helps Chime understand why you need a replacement and ensures your request is processed correctly. After you've selected the reason, it's time to confirm your mailing address. Make sure this information is up to date and accurate, as this is where your new card will be sent. Double-check the address to avoid any delivery issues. Once you're certain everything is correct, you can submit your request. Tap the Submit button, and that's it. Your new Chime card is on its way to you. The app will typically give you an estimated delivery time, so keep an eye out for that information. It's a straightforward process, and Chime makes it easy for you to manage your cards directly from the app. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to check out our other guides for more tips on managing your Chime account. Until next time, have a great day.